here's how we can empty the Google Photos from the iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So a few things we need to explain with it. So obviously Google Photos is a third-party app which has access to your local photos and uploads them to the cloud automatically. So you can open up the app, and if you want to delete the photos from the cloud storage, it is pretty simple because you can, of course, just hold down on the images, select as many as you want, or you can select the days and, kind of save time doing that and essentially tap on delete, and the photos will be deleted from the cloud backup, sort of. Right, so it's a separate thing. As you know, the Google Photos is accessing the photos from iPhone, as I said, and you are only deleting the cloud version of those images. The way the day-to-day routine of my way of using the Google Photos is basically looking like this, that I capture the photos normally on my iPhone, or they get saved into the gallery, but also I use the Google Photos where I have enough storage, and all of the photos are automatically getting backed up, so that's okay, but I only delete them from the local storage of my iPhone. So the local storage is not unlimited, of course. So once I fill up my iPhone storage, I make sure that the photos are backed up to Google Photos. And if they are, I just delete them from my local iPhone Photos app, and I can keep on taking more pictures. So in reality, I kind of use it that way, but as I told you, you can see that you can as well delete them from the Google backup as well. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. I really hope I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.